Here's how to see battery usage on your iPhone in iOS 26. So we're going to go to settings first off, and then we're going to go down here to battery. It's in the first card at the top of settings. And once we're in here, we're going to see quite a few things. We're going to see some suggestions in here. We're going to see how our battery is right now, the percentage, and we're also going to see our daily usage. Now, this phone in particular is usually plugged in, but I did use the battery a little bit. And you can see here, I can see the different apps that have used the battery. I can see usage by day. So we can kind of scroll through here and click and tap, and we can go in and see this app, like when have we used it, how much has it been on screen versus in the background, and using the battery. And it gives you percentages for all these. You can view all battery usage, and you can kind of go through different days. That's where we can toggle through days and see the battery usage, see when it's been charging. It'll show you actually where it dips when you've used battery, and then it comes back up when you've been charging it. It'll tell you your screen on time, screen off time, etc., and all of your app usage, and then other battery usage down here. Like for instance, this phone has no cell coverage or no cell plan actually, but it's searching for those cell networks or cell towers to link up to, right? And so uh, doing that actually uses some battery. And so that's one area where I should probably turn that off for this phone in particular. But yeah, this is where you can see all of your battery usage, including your battery health. If you click on battery health and charging, your maximum capacity, etc. So that's where you can see battery usage on the iPhone.